They don't have eyes or ears, but they can find their own food. They lack a brain, but some scientists think they can communicate, cooperate, and even wage war.
The way that it works is that you have a plant and you put an electrode on it, which can be used to conduct that current coming off the leaf, and then it goes into an amplifier, and then the amplifier gets turned into binary code, and the software takes that data and animates sound. The sound is not a sample, it's all generative. It's like organic electronic music.
If I touch the leaves here, you get to see that the leaves tend to curl up. If I tap the leaf, the entire branch seems to fall down.
We just need to listen.